Hariyo. A small demonstration of Parighasana, the gate posture. Complete stretching of one side of your body, opening of the hips, strengthening of the hips, thighs, the arms and the legs. I'll take you to 3 stages: beginners, intermediate and advanced. Start with Vajrasana. Onto your knees. Take your left leg to the left, stretch it to the left. Place your left palm on your left leg and slide it down to your toes. Gently raise your right hand up and hold it there. So this is for the beginners. Stage 1. When you're fine with this, take your right hand further to the left, parallel to the floor, and hold it. And when you progress beyond this, you can go to the slightly advanced posture, trying to get your right hand also onto your left toes and hold it. Gently take your right hand back, come up, onto your knees and to Vajrasana. So this was the beginning, intermediate and the advanced stage. Now we get into the advanced stage. Takes a few weeks time, but you can do that. Back onto your knees, your left leg to the left. This time place your left palm on the floor. Take your right hand to the left. Grab hold of your left big toes. Adjust your palm because you're going to lift your left leg up. Lift the left leg up. Then turn and look up. Complete stretch, twisting of the spinal cord, leg strengthening, knees and palms. Lift your left leg down, right hand up, and come back to the knees and Vajrasana. There is also another version of the advanced technique of Parighasana, but this time sitting on your thighs. Sit on your right thigh and take your right leg slightly away. Stretch your left leg to the left. Lift your right leg slightly and place your left palm onto your right calf muscle. Take your right hand to the left. Grab hold of your left big toe with your right hand. Now turn and look up. Total stretch, spinal cord, hips, thighs, knees. Take your right hand up, come up, straighten both the legs, and then come back to Vajrasana. It will take a few weeks or a couple of months. It's very good for you. Parighasana. Hariyo.